YLL Club Kundrapam today conducted a cleanliness drive in Kundrapam area. The cleanliness drive was held in connection with Iravat Day observance tomorrow. A mudslide that occurred yesterday in between Mau and Khuzama nearby CRPF Exchange Point along the Imphal-Dimapur highway affected vehicular movement for quite some time. As per latest report, traffic movement has resumed since this morning. A team of Imphal West commandos arrested 2 drug peddlers from Kanchipur Maitei last evening. As per reports, the corps also seized 1,400 WY tablets worth more than Rs 2 lakhs from their possession. As a part of Swasthya Hi Seva, District Water and Sanitation Committee, BICD Bisnupur and Sunu Sifai Welfare Association jointly conducted a cleanliness drive program in and around the India Peace Memorial Complex, Maibam Lokpaching. Tripura police arrested a Bangladeshi national last evening along with 2 pistols and 4 magazines. The arrested Bangladeshi national was identified as Anumoy Chakma. Tourism in Assam is to enter a new phase with Assam Tourism Development Corporation collaboration with Instagram to promote tourism for the state. A formal unveiling of the hashtag Awesome Assam by Instagram took place yesterday in Guwahati.